What up, YouTube? Today I'm doing an unboxing on the 16th season of The Simpsons. Here's the front, it's very foil, shiny. Here's the spine. Here's the back. Okay, to save time, it's already been opened. Behind this backer, there's like a Professor Frank robot. Alright, taking it out. Around the side, there's like a mole with Marge hair, and I believe that's maybe Martin, the robot face version. Alright. Okay, here it is. Let's stretch it out a little bit. Okay, here's the back. Can't get all this on camera, so I'll do my best. Alright. And now here's the back. Beautiful artwork. I don't know if the Blu-ray has this. Alright. My bad, you guys. I would love to show you the booklet, but I don't want to waste a lot of time. I'm just doing that as a hobby. I'll show you the disc real quick. Okay, here's disc 1. Disc 2. Disc 3. Disc 4. Booklet looks kind of used up, beat up. Just go through it real quick. Alright. And when you take out the booklet, you see Barney digging through the machine. Alright, thank you for watching, you guys. Till next time, peace.